So this is how genuine Land Rover brakes sound. Wait to hear it. Oh aye. Yeah, so they can squeak. These are genuine Land Rover ones, fitted all round. Somebody did ask the question. I have fitted genuine Land Rover to the last one I did, and they were the same, to be honest with you. They were squealing. This one's not in the day for the brakes, this one's in the day for a whole new fuel filter and having an MOT. So thanks for watching, hit the thumbs up. See, it's got a restricted performance, never good. So, welcome back, screen, there you go, you can see it now, restricted performance. So, hit the thumbs up and have a great day.